Good morning, children. Jai Jagannath. Today we'll start the remaining portion of the divisibility rule, and before that, I want to say all of you stay home, stay safe, stay physically fit, exercise regularly, and eat nutritious food. सबसे पहले हम गणेश जी का नमन करते हैं फॉर योर सेफ्टी ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड एंड ब्लेस यू फॉर योर गुड एंड प्रॉस्परस लाइफ। ओम गणेशाय नमः। जय जगन्नाथ। We will start the divisibility rule of 7. This is different than other rules. So first you know the rules. Take the last digit and cross it out from the original number. Then double it. Subtract it from the new number. Then double it and subtract. Like this manner you repeat this. And if the last digit is the multiple of 7 or divisible by 7, then you will tell that the number is divisible by 7. And I will explain you taking one example. Suppose this is 1073. You have to test whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. So the first step, just like this, take the last digit and cross it. Suppose this is the last digit, you cross it. Again, crossing that, you take the double of this number and subtract from the remaining part, from the remaining number. So here the last digit is 3, so you double this, so 2 into 3, 6, and you subtract from the remaining number, that is 107. 107 minus 6 is 101. Again you repeat the process up to repeat the process as needed until you reach a 2-digit number. This is very important. This process will continue up to you reach a 2-digit number. So now you see here, suppose the first, this is the step 1, then I have subtracted. Again it is a 3-digit number. For that only you cross the last digit and take the double of that digit, which number you cross. So 10 minus 2 into 1. Again you subtract from that number, now 8. You test, now it is a single digit number. Now it is a single digit number. So you stop. Now if the number is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. You see now the number, remaining number is 8. So you divide this by 7. Now you check, this is not divisible by 7. So 1073 is not divisible by 7. Again I am telling the process because this is slight complicated, and if you practice then you will win. And practice makes a man perfect, so that you will be the winner of the any interview or any reasoning or any mathematical test. First take the last digit, whatever it may be, 6 or 7 digit number, and you cross the last digit. Okay, then you double that number and subtract from the remaining number. So here 107 minus 2 into 3, that is 107, minus 6, that is 101. Again now it is not a single digit number. So again you cross this and you double and subtract from the remaining. That remaining is 10. So 10 minus 2 into 1, that is 8. Now it is a single digit number. So you check the divisibility by 7. Now the 8 is not divisible by 7. So 1073 is not divisible by 7. Okay? I thought that you might have understood this. Again, next is the divisibility rule of 11. For the divisibility rule of 11, take the alternative sum of the digits in the number, read from left to right, take the difference of the sum of digits in even and odd places, and if the difference is a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Suppose you are, for example, I am taking a number. Suppose 2, 6, 7, 8, 0, 5, 3, like this manner. So you see, first you have to take the even places and the odd places. See here, suppose I am doing this number. Suppose you are doing this place, that is read from left to right. Take the difference of the number. Suppose you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you take the sum of the digits, in even places. So when you are taking the even places, then this number will come, this number will come, this number will come. So you take the sum. Sum means that is here 6, next 8, next 5. So the sum is 8 plus 6, 14 plus 5, 19. Similarly, take the sum of digits in odd places. So now, odd places means this number, this number, this number, this number. So you take 2 plus 7 plus 0 plus 3. So the sum is 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12. Now take the difference of sum, that is 19. You have to subtract from the greatest number to the smallest number. 19 minus 12. So this is 7. It say the divisibility, whether this number is divisible or multiple of 11 or not. Now you see, 7 is not multiple of 11. Therefore, the total number is not divisible by 11. You write here as 7 is not a multiple of 11. So 2, 6, 7, 8, 0, 5, 3 is not divisible by 11. So again I am telling, suppose any number is given. First, left to right, you number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that manner. And take the sum of the digits in even places. Even and sum of the digit in odd places. And sum it. And take the difference. Difference means difference of the sum of even places and sum of odd places. And if the difference is a multiple of 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. If it is not a multiple of 11, so that will not divisible by 11. This is the trick. And if you practice yourself taking any number and following this rule, then you will get whether the number is divisible by 11 or not. Again, suppose for example, is 2, 1, y 5 is multiple of 3 or 9. Suppose this number is multiple of 3 or 9. But here you see, here it is all are numbers. But in this question, y is not a number. This is a variable, alphabets. This is a variable. So you have to find out the number is divisible by 3 on 9. So for that, there is the divisibility rule. A number is completely divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Just like this manner, you have to first find out the sum of the digits. So you take a sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. Okay, so this is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 to 8, 8 plus y. Okay, so now you take the trial and error method. Means when y is equal to suppose 0, suppose you are taking the value y equal to 0. So here the value will be 8 plus y, means 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. And you see divisibility rule 7 or 9. If the sum is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. But here you see 8. 8 is not 8. It is not divisible by 3. 3 also 9 also. 3 and 9 दोनों में वो डिविजिबल नहीं है. Then अभी you will take another value, that is suppose 1. Then 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So you see here 9 is, this number is divisible by 3 as well as divisible by 9. As 9 is divisible by 3 and 9, therefore the value of y is, therefore y is equal to 1. This is the answer, because you have to find out the value of y. So y value is 1. Similarly, suppose like this manner, you can go trying, suppose 2, then 8 plus 2, again 10. So 10 is not divisible. 10 is not divisible by 3 and 9. Therefore, this value is, this means y is 2 is not the answer of this value. So like this manner, you go on trying. Suppose 3, if you take 3, then 8 plus 3, 11. Then it is not divisible by 3. So 3 is also not answer. But if you take y is equal to 4, then 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. In this case, 12 is divisible by 3, but 12 is not divisible by 9. So y value may be equal to 4 for divisibility of 3 only. Divisibility of 3 only. इसका 9 का नहीं होगा, क्योंकि 9 में ये डिवाइड नहीं है. तो लाइक दिस मैनर, सपोज यू आर टेकिंग 5, then again 13, 6, 14, then 7, 15, then y value may be 7 for divisibility of 3, but 9 not. Similarly 8, 16, 9, 17. So only these are the value. 17 is also not divisible by 3. So only y value for divisibility of 3 may be 4, 7 and 1. But y is equal to 1 for the divisibility of 3 and 9 both. So these are the rules of the divisibility rule of 7, 3, 11. Like this manner you practice and you will be a good mathematician. Thank you all.